3 weeks ago, a customer brought me a 6-year-old automatic sedan that wouldn't move forward. The engine was smooth, no warning lights, and full service history, but the transmission was completely worn out. The reason? Just everyday normal driving habits that quietly destroyed the transmission over time. According to industry data, the average cost of a transmission rebuild in 2026 sits between $3,500 and $6,000. Yet nearly 70% of these failures are entirely preventable. Even more shocking, overheating is responsible for nearly 90% of automatic transmission failures. In this video, we are breaking down the 13 stupid mistakes destroying your automatic car. And each one might be something you are doing right now. Let's start with one of the most common mistakes. Mistake number 13, the rolling shift ritual. This is one of the fastest ways to destroy an automatic transmission, and I see it daily. Drivers are in a hurry, so they shift from reverse to drive while the car is still rolling backward. What they don't understand is that inside the transmission, multiple clutch packs and planetary gears are still rotating in the opposite direction. When you suddenly engage drive, those internal components are forced to change direction instantly under load. That shock creates massive internal stress and friction. Over time, it burns clutch material, overheats transmission fluid, and weakens internal seals. You may not feel damage immediately, but after months of doing this, you will start noticing delayed engagement or jerking. Statistics show that consistent rolling shifting can reduce the lifespan of your transmission by up to 40,000 miles. It's a simple trade-off that your wallet will thank you for in the long run. Mistake number 12, neglecting the parking brake. If you put your car in park on an incline without engaging the handbrake, you are hanging several tons of steel on a tiny metal pin called a parking pawl. This pin is often no thicker than your pinky finger, and when you feel that clunk as the car settles, you are witnessing that pin jamming into the transmission's output shaft. Data from transmission repair shops suggests that parking pawl shearing is a leading cause of rollaway accidents and internal housing cracks. When that pin snaps, it doesn't just break. It often sends metal shards into the gear train, which can lead to a total catastrophic failure. The proper sequence is vital. Come to a stop, engage the emergency brake, and then shift into park. This ensures the transmission is merely a backup safety measure rather than the primary weight bearer for a 4,000-pound vehicle. Mistake number 11, the lifetime fluid marketing trap. Many drivers religiously change engine oil, but ignore transmission fluid completely. That's a costly mistake. Studies indicate that 90% of all automatic transmission failures are caused by overheating and fluid degradation. Unlike engine oil, automatic transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate. It operates hydraulic circuits, cools internal components, and enables smooth gear engagement. Industry data shows that transmission fluid can begin losing protective properties after 30,000 to 60,000 miles, especially under city driving conditions. Heat breaks down the fluid's viscosity, and microscopic metal particles accumulate inside. When fluid degrades, solenoids clog, and clutch packs begin to slip. To truly protect your vehicle, ignore the marketing and opt for a fluid exchange every 45,000 to 60,000 miles. This small maintenance step is the single most effective way to ensure your car reaches the 200,000 mile club without a major mechanical overhaul. Mistake number 10, holding the car in drive during long stops. Sitting at long traffic lights in drive with your foot on the brake seems harmless, but it continuously loads the torque converter. The torque converter is essentially a fluid coupling that transfers power from the engine to the transmission. When you hold the brake in drive, the engine is still trying to push forward. According to transmission engineering data, can reduce transmission life by nearly 50%. Heat is the #1 enemy of automatic gearboxes. In heavy traffic conditions, fluid temperatures can rise rapidly, especially in hot climates. Shifting into neutral during long stops reduces internal load and helps lower heat buildup. That small habit change significantly improves long-term reliability. Mistake number 9, coasting or launching in neutral. There is a persistent myth that shifting into neutral while coasting downhill saves fuel, but in modern fuel-injected engines, this is factually incorrect. Modern engine control units are designed to cut fuel flow to the injectors entirely when they sense the car is coasting in gear, meaning you actually use 0% fuel while in drive. Conversely, shifting into neutral disconnects the engine from the wheels. Even worse is the neutral drop, revving in neutral and slamming into drive to peel out. This creates an instantaneous torque shock that can snap drive shafts and shatter gear teeth instantly. Mechanical engineers estimate that a single high RPM neutral drop can cause as much wear as 50,000 miles of normal driving. Keep the car in drive and let the computer handle the efficiency. It's smarter than you think. Mistake number 8, heavy towing without overdrive management. If you use your automatic vehicle for towing or hauling heavy loads, ignoring your tow haul mode or failing to lock out overdrive is a recipe for disaster. This heat is the silent killer that hardens rubber seals and causes the fluid to burn. Statistics from heavy-duty repair centers show that towing in top gear under heavy load accounts for nearly 25% of premature transmission burnouts in SUVs and trucks. By engaging the proper towing mode, you change the shift logic to keep the engine in its power band and reduce the frequency of shifts. If you plan on towing regularly, investing $200 in an auxiliary transmission cooler can extend your gearbox's life by a factor of 2. It is an insurance policy that pays for itself the first time you hit a mountain pass. Mistake number 7, the cold start sprint. Many drivers treat their cars like a smartphone, instant on, instant performance, but your transmission is a complex hydraulic system that requires thermal stability. In temperatures below freezing, transmission fluid thickens significantly. Statistics from automotive engineers suggest that nearly 90% of mechanical wear occurs during the first 60 seconds of operation when the fluid is too viscous to provide a protective film between moving parts. If you start your car and immediately floor it to merge into traffic, you are forcing high-pressure fluid against brittle seals and unlubricated gears. Giving your vehicle just 30 to 60 seconds to idle allows the pump to circulate fluid. This small habit prevents hard shifts, which are the primary causes of internal leaks that lead to thousands of dollars in repair costs. Mistake number 6, the rocking trap in snow or mud. When you find yourself stuck in a snowbank or a muddy ditch, the natural instinct is to rock the car by rapidly shifting between drive and reverse to build momentum. This is arguably the most violent thing you can do to an automatic gearbox. In this scenario, the internal components are spinning at high speeds in one direction and are suddenly forced to reverse direction without any mechanical cushioning. Industry data indicates that rocking a car can cause transmission fluid temperatures to spike to over 350 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 2 minutes. At these temperatures, the fluid instantly oxidizes, losing its lubricating properties and essentially cooking the internal rubber seals. If you are not out after 2 or 3 gentle attempts, stop immediately and call a tow truck. Mistake number 5, neglecting the engine's cooling system. It's a common misconception that the transmission and the engine are entirely separate entities, but in most vehicles, they share the same cooling real estate. Your transmission fluid typically runs through a dedicated chamber inside your radiator to dissipate heat. If your engine's cooling system is neglected, it directly impacts the transmission's ability to stay cool. Automotive research shows that thermal stress from a poorly maintained cooling system is a leading secondary cause of transmission failure in vehicles over 7 years old. Maintaining your coolant levels and ensuring your radiator is clear of debris is not just about preventing your engine from smoking. It is about keeping your transmission fluid within its safe operating window. Mistake number 4, resting your hand on the gear selector. This habit looks completely harmless. Many drivers naturally rest their hand on the gear selector while driving, especially in traffic. But in an automatic transmission system, even light, constant pressure is enough to compress the tension springs and wear down the bushings inside the shift linkage. In many automatic vehicles, especially those with mechanical, cable-driven selectors, which can eventually prevent the car from fully engaging a gear. Industry data suggests that vehicles where drivers habitually rest their hands on the shifter see a 30% higher rate of selector assembly failure. For the sake of your gearbox and your safety, keep your hands on the steering wheel and let the shifter do its job without the extra baggage. Mistake number 3, ignoring early warning signs. This is arguably the most expensive mistake automatic car owners make. According to automotive repair industry surveys, more than 60% of major transmission failures showed early symptoms weeks or even months before complete breakdown. Automatic transmissions almost always give warnings. You may notice a slight delay when shifting from park to drive, a small jerk between gears, or even a tiny fluid leak under the car. Most drivers ignore these because the car is still moving fine. So if your check engine or transmission light comes on, or if the car simply feels different, don't turn up the radio to drown out the noise. Take it to a professional immediately. Mistake number 2, driving with low transmission fluid. Low transmission fluid is one of the most destructive conditions for an automatic car. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid operates under hydraulic pressure. It is responsible for gear engagement, lubrication, and cooling. If fluid levels drop due to a leak or neglect, hydraulic pressure becomes unstable. Heat damages friction materials and hardens seals rapidly. The worst part is, many drivers don't check transmission fluid at all. A small leak caught early can cost under $200 to repair. Ignored, it can turn into a $4,000 transmission rebuild. Mistake number 1, installing the wrong type of transmission fluid. Not all transmission fluids are the same. Modern automatic transmissions are engineered with very specific fluid formulations. Each manufacturer designs fluid with precise friction modifiers to ensure smooth engagement. Installing a generic or incorrect fluid can cause harsh shifts, slipping, or delayed engagement. Over time, improper friction properties accelerate clutch wear. Statistics from independent testing labs show that using the wrong fluid can lead to a 15% increase in internal operating temperatures almost immediately. Always verify the exact fluid specification recommended by your manufacturer. One incorrect service decision can shorten transmission life dramatically. The bottom line of this video is your automatic transmission is the most complex component of your car. Treat it with a little respect and it will return the favor for a decade or more. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more amazing hacks.